The Cat and the Moon by W.B. Yeats. The cat went here and there, and the moon spun round like a top, and the nearest kin of the moon, the creeping cat, looked up. Black Minnaloushe stared at the moon, for wonder and wail as he would. The pure cold light in the sky troubled his animal blood. Minnaloushe runs in the grass, lifting his delicate feet. Do you dance, Minnaloushe? Do you dance? When two close kindred meet, what better than call a dance? Maybe the moon may learn, tired of that courtly fashion, a new dance turn. Minnaloushe creeps through the grass, from moonlit place to place. The sacred moon overhead has taken a new phase. Does Minnaloushe know that his pupils will pass from change to change, and that from round to crescent, from crescent to round, they range? Minnaloushe creeps through the grass, alone, important and wise, and lifts to the changing moon his changing eyes.